In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a registration form using Google Forms in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in. First, begin by navigating to Google Drive. Google Drive is a convenient starting point because it seamlessly integrates with other Google apps, making it ideal for our task. Once you've accessed Google Drive, look for the New button, which is usually located in the top left corner. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for the type of document you can create. From the drop-down menu, select Google Forms. This will open a new tab in your browser displaying different template options. For our purpose today, we'll want to start from scratch, so go ahead and click on the blank form option. Starting with a blank slate gives you the flexibility to design the form exactly as you need it. Now that you have your blank form open, it's time to name your form. Click on the title area at the top and type in registration. Naming your form helps in organizing your files and makes it clear to respondents what the form is about. With the title set, we can now add the questions. The first question we'll include is for the full name. Click on the section that says Untitled Question and type full name in its place. Once you've named the question, you'll notice that Google Forms automatically suggests a suitable response format. For full name, it will suggest a short answer, which is perfect for this field. Next, add another question by clicking the plus button located on the toolbar to the right. For the next field, let's add email. Type email into the question area, and once again Google will suggest a short answer, which fits well here. Feel free to add as many questions as you feel necessary by clicking the addition button again. Let's add a request for phone number using the same process. Simply type phone number and choose short answer as the response type. Next, we'll add a date of birth question. Enter the text in the question field and this time change the response type to date to ensure the format is consistent. After this, you may want to ask for additional information like address. For this question, choose paragraph as the response type because it allows users to provide more detailed information. Continue by requesting city and specifying a short answer for responses. Follow it by asking for state using yet another short answer format. Next, let's add a drop-down for educational background. Type the question and choose drop-down from the response options. This feature is great for standard selections such as high school, bachelor's, or master's. Finally, once you've added all necessary questions, it's time to publish your form. You can do this by clicking the Send or Publish button in the upper right corner to open it to responses. Before finishing, don't forget to click on Preview to see how it will appear to respondents and make any necessary adjustments. And there you have it, a fully functional registration form created